Welcome back to Thinking Digital. Today we will learn how to get Microsoft Word for free. For that, your keyboard, tap Alt, Windows, Control and Shift together, which will allow you to go to Microsoft 365 Copilot for free. Now you will be able to see this pop-up window. Now just go for sign in. Now they will send you a code. Tap on send code and now enter your code right here, which you will found in the address. After signing in, they will take it to Microsoft 365. Now on the left side you will be able to see this Microsoft Word option right here. Just tap on that and now you can create any document for free, which is blank document, any functional document, any student or business documents. You just have to tap on that and you can write any document for free. This is how you can easily get Microsoft Word for free and you can use it at your home or your office for any work. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video. If this video has guided you and provided you the assistance that you needed today, then make sure to like our video and subscribe to our channel.